May project si kabayan natin. Ano kaya itong project na to? Tingnan natin. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Aba, ano kaya to? Sandok? Ano to, kabayan?
Pangkamot ba?
Pangkamot. Ayan, gumagawa si kabayan ng pangkamot. Makati yata yung ano yung Makati sa'yo?
Sa likod.
Sa likod, ayan. So, tignan natin bukas kung ano yung kainat na nitong ano to. Kala ko sandok kanina yung ginagawa niya eh. O yan ha, tignan natin. Gagawin muna ni kabayan. Hindi pa tapos yan. Pangkamot daw to. No? O, sige. Pagandahin mo kabayan ha.
People also ask, is a back scratcher good for you? Back scratches can be beneficial, mostly for stress relief and relaxation. However, scratching your skin can easily go too far and cause more harm than good. The good, chemical release. Scratching triggers a low-level pain response that prompts your brain to release endorphins, natural painkillers, and serotonin, a mood regulator. This induces feelings of calm and mild euphoria. Stress and tension relief. Pleasant, tactile sensations can lower cortisol, stress hormone, levels. It also temporarily increases blood flow to the back muscles, acting like a mini massage to ease stiffness. The bad, the itch scratch cycle. Scratching to relieve an itch actually causes mild pain that distracts your brain. This release can trick your body into feeling more itchy later on, worsening the original irritation. Skin damage. Aggressive scratching breaks the skin's protective barrier, which can lead to bacterial infections like cellulitis, bleeding, and irritation. Permanent marks. Repeatedly scratching the same area can cause inflammation that leads to a darkening of the skin, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or permanent scarring. Safety tip. If you have an itch, try gently rubbing or applying a moisturizer instead of scratching. If you must indulge in a back scratch, use clean, trimmed nails or a gentle tool like a bareback back scratcher to avoid damaging your skin. A back scratcher, sometimes known as a scratch back, is a hand tool used for scratching the skin in order to relieve an itch in areas that cannot easily be reached just by one's own hands, typically the back. Although the back scratcher was an early human invention, other primates have been observed using similar tools. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Okay na. So, ito na. Ipakita mo. Ang galing. Yan, ang galing. Iba talaga ang Pinoy. Ayan. Tapos na yung ating pangkamot ng likod. Ayan. Gawa ni Mr. John. Okay, Mr. John?
Okay. Approve.
Approve. So, ito na. Ipakita mo. Ang galing. Yan, ang galing. Iba talaga ang Pinoy. Ayan. Tapos na yung ating pangkamot ng likod. Ayan. Gawa ni Mr. John. Okay, Mr. John?
Okay. Approve.
Approve.